Here at Lloyd Approved Cars Kelso, we are pleased to present this AUDI Q2 35 TFSI S Line, finished in Daytona Pearl exterior paint, with 18-inch 5-split spoke silver alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic LED headlights, power folding heated door mirrors, privacy glass, and on the bumper we have the rear parking sensors. As we enter out beneath the tailgate, we can see the load space with the rear folding seats and the parcel shelf. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the black pulse cloth and leather seats with the ISOFIX child seat mounts. And entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the front sport seats, which as you can see are in excellent condition. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the hands-free mobile controls, the digital gauge cluster with satellite navigation display, and the cruise control stalk on the steering column. On the centre display we can see the DAB radio, and on the centre console we have the climate controls, and the gear selector and infotainment dial. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.